Hello, Jim Baker here from Itin Baker Tax Consultants, and I'm making this video today to explain how you can get a U.S. individual tax identification number. And I'm not going to go through the forms right now. This is just a quick overview, and I have videos that we can link to go over how to complete the actual forms. But a U.S. tax ID is necessary for a couple of different things. You need to have a reason to request one. You can't just complete the forms and just request them. You need to have a reason. So normally the most common thing is because you have U.S. source income. So we do a 1040 NR for our foreign clients, and we'll attach Form W7. And Form W7 is the form that you submit to get the Itin. If you do it yourself, you need to send a certified copy of your passport. Generally, the passport's the best document, or the actual passport with your tax return and your completed form, and the IRS will mail it back to you. Obviously, no one wants to do that, and we very, very rarely actually do that. Me personally, I'm a certified acceptance agent. You can look me up on the IRS website, and what that allows me to verify the authenticity of your passport. We send a copy of it with the completed W7, and you can get it your tax ID in 2 weeks. Again, assuming that you qualify. So if you have U.S. income, we can file a 1040 NR and then complete the W7 with all required documentation, submit that, and then you'll get a tax ID in the U.S. Or if you are selling U.S. real estate that you own and they're going to withhold taxes, you can get an Itin for that. And really, if you have some kind of income or withholding or something related to taxes in the U.S., you can request an Itin. But it has to be done in a very specific way, and it's done through Form W7. And I'll put a link to the Form W7 in the description below. So I'm making this video just because a lot of people ask for it. Now, the uses of an Itin is you need a tax ID to get a debit card from your bank account, generally. Especially, it depends on what type of bank. Banks are really complicated, so also by the time you see this video, the rules might have changed. But that's a reason we get Itins for our clients, is to get debit cards from banks to any kind of financial transaction. When they're going to ask for your social, a lot of times an Itin will work and they'll accept that. So for different loan documents and things in the US, they might want it. So that's why a lot of our clients will want it, but it's not required for a lot of things either. So if you have questions specifically about an Itin, if you think you need it and you don't know if you need it or not, and things like that, yeah, please comment below, and we'll try and get back to you in our responses to the comments. And let me know if you have any other questions related to this. I'm happy to make another video that hopefully you find helpful. And right now I'm going to make videos about how to complete Forms W7 and provide the required documentation and some of the ways like that. So check out that video. I'll try and link it if I remember, but if I don't, then you can search for it. And hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Really appreciate it. And contact us with any tax questions. Support at mbtaxconsultants.com. Thanks.